Hi everyone. I'm excited for you to join me for this video about time-saving tips for busy developers. With how much we have to do these days, it can be all too easy to feel like we don't have enough time to get it all done. Yet the truth is, there are plenty of small ways to cut down the time we need to complete all the tasks. That's where I come in. I've been a software developer for over a decade now, so I've come up with some pretty useful tips and tricks that developers can use to save time. So today, I'm going to share my top 10 time-saving tips for busy developers. First of all, always take a few minutes to plan out your tasks for the day. This will help you know where to begin and keep your tasks organized. Second, always keep a to-do list and continually update it. This will help you to stay focused and make sure you don't forget anything. Third, try to simplify your workflow as much as possible. This means eliminating unnecessary steps or tasks and making sure your code is free of clutter. Fourth, take breaks throughout the day to give your mind a rest and allow it to refresh and refocus. Fifth, set goals for yourself and break them up into smaller tasks. Not only will this help you stay on track, but it will also make it easier to stay motivated and get your work done. Sixth, create a library of reusable components to save time and eliminate the need to write code each time you need to tackle a similar problem. Seventh, leverage automation whenever you can. This can help you reduce the time it takes for mundane tasks and make sure that you always have up-to-date processes. Eighth, make sure to test your code thoroughly. This will help you catch and fix issues quickly and prevent you from having to redo things. Ninth, collaborate with others. Not only will this open up ideas and perspectives, but it can also help you complete tasks quicker. Finally, make sure to document everything you do. This will help you to keep track of progress, as well as answer questions quickly when needed. These are some of my best time-saving tips for busy developers. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.